I don't even remember how to ride a bike now.
Well, you guys said you wanted to see the wheelie bar in action. You said you wanted to see it touching down. You said you want to see a couple fails. Hey guys, this is WADZ with the WADZ Up channel. Thanks for joining me again today. Today, I'd like to introduce you to Short Fuse's second wheelie guard, new edition. The first one is for 17 to 19 inch rim diameters. This one is called the Mini Me. A lot of guys like to use it on their Groms or smaller motocrosses, that kind of thing. They've got two types, one for the bigger bike and one for some of the smaller bikes. And they just released it. So I want to introduce you to Pete. He's the mastermind and creator of the Wheelie Guard. So let's bring in for a little convo with him and show you this Wheelie Guard system. Let's talk about this new invention here and have you kind of explain to the viewers what it's all about.
We're getting a lot of demand and inquiries about this device for people with these smaller bikes, and a lot of people love these bikes. They love stunting them, and our wheelie guard was just a bit too long for the geometry of that bike.
What's the price on this compared to the old one?
It's the same price.
The thickness of this?
It's half-inch 60-61 aluminum.
And how strong is this?
Pretty damn strong. So we had a analysis of a 500 test pound load done. To date, have never had one failure.
That was my next question. How many failures have you had on this?
Zero.
Zero, all right. Fantastic. So let's get out there and test these things. Today we're gonna pull the drone out and try and give you guys some up close footage of what happens when you go too far with this system, how it saves you. Maybe you could just touch on that a little bit.
Fully adjustable, just like our original. It comes with the wrench, so a little pocket wrench, right? Loosen that guy off, and then just pull these pins out.
So when you're just starting out, do some guys have it quite a bit lower?
Yeah, I would start out about, that's probably a good height. You know, brings that the front wheel up to almost maybe 45 degrees. When it's straight like this, anything beyond, you're approaching the balance point of the bike, okay? So anything beyond this point, you kind of want to be getting the hang of your rear brake by that point. So by then you've had a lot of practice and you'll trust the device and your confidence will be through the roof and you'll be having a lot of fun. But anything beyond this point, you'll notice that you're getting up there. So you pretty much want to have the back brake down. That's what the whole purpose of the device is to kind of buy you that little bit of time, give you that extra safety kind of parameter so that you can learn how to control the bike with the back brake.
All right, guys, this next clip is a fail. And like I always say, if you're not failing, you're probably not trying hard enough in life. And he actually doesn't touch down on the wheelie guard at all. Powers through it. Looks like he completely loses balance and then bails out at the last second. This is when it goes sideways on you, quite literally. I know there's going to be one or two of you that's going to chime in and say, wait a second, I thought the wheelie guard was supposed to keep you safer. It does keep you a whole lot safer. It does stop the bike from looping out and gives you a chance to build your confidence and slowly progress your wheelies. If you're interested in trying the wheelie bar system for the smaller bikes or the big bikes, I'm going to leave a discount code down in the show notes. Smash the subscribe button. Oh, click the notification button too, because you won't get notified. I don't know what YouTube's doing, but they're not notifying people on my videos, so don't forget to hit the notification button. We'll talk to you guys later.